I can feel it. Okay, shit. Damn.
I'm trying to wake up.
For you automatically. What I do is add
The
20 to
love
my
you
last
found in me.
Then I move forward another 3 frames and
I'm
take
changing
away
all
5.
the time.
Fucking.
Living.
Hold on, fucking.
Which one?
But how do you just give her access to this? Can you just give a sole person access?
I mean, you give the add rolls.
Nah, not the role. Make
I already
a
did.
role? Oh, you put it there?
Oh yeah. I'll make her my stepsis. On.
Instead of popping
Oh.
dick, it's popping dick.
Wait, what?
I wasn't paying attention.
I like how you just left us in here.
I'm angry. I'm angry.
Got one. Got one.
I got one too. He's on me. Oh
Uh,
my god, I whiffed.
Do you get the chick?
Blue chick, blue chick, blue chick. On me, on me, on me.
That's you, dude. There was a chick up here. She ran this way.
Oh, I need to put my traps.
Yeah, they kind of escape hella quick, you know? I'm feeding Gramps.
What the fuck?
They'll never see this.
Take a look at this, boyas.
That's it. What the fuck?
She's right here.
Oh,
I marked her.
trouble.
Yo, what up?
Coming through.
Got it.
Nice.
Wait, is that big booty or is that the blue chick?
Big booty.
Alright, blue chick's still downstairs.
I think they're all big booty, no?
That's true.
No. Are they all up there? I found them.
And you know...
She's climbing that up the ladder. Oh, you got her. I'll let her get her at the top.
Right here, right here, right here. No, she's dead. She's on me. She's going down. She's going down. I repeat, going down.
I'm gonna
going
block
down.
her. I'm going through.
Copy that. She's going that way.
I'm going through. I'm
She's
chasing.
going right. Chase her, chase her, chase her. Oh, cut her off, cut her off. Woo, woo, woo. I'm out of stamina.
I'm also. She's
She's going down, she's going down, she's going down.
Fuck. Where did that shit drop to?
I'll say she going down. I'll see her.
She dropped down the well.
Down the well.
Which well?
How the fuck are we supposed to know?
I got her. Oh, I'm fighting her. Fighting her.
I don't know where you're at. Oh, she's
Oh, she punched me.
Don't worry, we'll get her. We'll cut her
Chasing, chasing.
off. Nope. And I don't know what I'd do without you. What the hell, Red?
Shit, I can't pick you any of these.
Move!
Hmm.
You're trapped in here with me, dude.
Team? Team?
What's up, dude?
Oh my.
Is it almost done?
Oh, I got her. Shit.
Oh,
Good
you just slapped her
job.
ass.
Yeah,
Wait, I want to see the ass slap. Guys, I'm here. Damn, nice ass. Hey, hey, you animal. Good job, Red.
yeah, look at me. Shit. Look at me now.
Domo. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Ain't no one saying no.
Huh?
Huh?
Get out of here.
Adds up.
Yeah, man.
Nothing that doesn't add up.
Wait up, Domo. Oh my god.
You know how
I'm out.
you know how Jessica Parker, right? When she was in that one movie.
Who?
Well.
Huh?
Jessica Parker.
Who?
You don't know who Jessica Parker?
Hey, that's what I said.
No matter how many times you say it, I'm not gonna know who it is.
Jessica Parker, dude.
What movie?
The one where she's with Adam Sandler.
In what movie?
21.
Oh, good.
Domo?
Tomo, where'd you go, dude? I lost you.
I'm right next to you. Oh my goodness. You wanna
Huh?
hold your hand?
I'll see you.
Seems like you don't know, Domo. Let me enlighten you.
I got the gate.
Hold on, I'm about to get
Right
mine.
here.
The killer's over there.
Red, so is he. Oh my goodness. What the fuck is
Anna.
You want me to open it, Nick?
Yeah, fuck it.
Wait.
No shit.
Awesome.
Out of my way! Out of my way, cuzzo!
Domo, we're stuck down here, dude.
Oh shit.
I'm taking chase. They're chasing me? They're coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm about to buzz.
I'm out of here.
Yeah, I hear him. He's
Oh,
gonna
right,
come.
right, right.
He's coming. He's coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. He's coming. I'm coming.
Oh.
Out of my way, cuzzo.
Go, motherfucker, go!
Don't worry, he can't climb.
I can't either.
Go up and then go to the right and then through the crevice and then I'll open the door and then
The
oh my
crevice?
God, we're
Alright,
free.
go to the right, go to the right, go to the crevice.
Oh.
Oh, this door.
Chill, the hitchhiker's looking.
I don't see him, Nick.
Up top.
Yeah, I don't see him either. I feel like he's camping around a corner. I think he sees
Oh my god,
us.
we about to kiss right now?
Wait, what?
I think he
I wanna join.
Take my.
Well, I'm in.
He didn't see us, dude. He's blind.
What? Shit!
Holy shit. Okay, okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I'll get the gate, you get the generator.
Dude,
You
the
don't
chicken.
have to make noise. Oh, now he sees me.
Don't worry, we'll make him KFC
Ah!
later.
Nah, Nick, we're good, we're good.
You hit a trap?
Yeah.
He's pretending. He's pretending.
I had a bone scrap though, so I got it off completely.
Oh! Oh shit, you're right.
Fuck it. Kick this shit. Fuck it.
Walk it like you target. Hey,
It's,
walk
it's
it.
open. Parking lot's
Oh, we're
open, guys.
free. Oh my goodness.
Where you guys
that
at?
was so hard.
What does my ability do?
Go, Nick, go. Go, go, go.
You're in the slaughterhouse?
Dude, there's Leatherface right there. There's both killers
Oh.
right there.
Nick, if
Yeah.
you want to get the door, I'll freaking just get him.
Can't. This man's
Someone.
just chilling.
Oh,
Your mic.
Take him away.
Go
Take the door.
in!
Go, take that thing.
Oh, I'm sorry, I couldn't.
What do you mean you could've? You just went in.
Here, I'll get
Celeste,
the
you're
door.
kind of fucking me up.
I'm sorry, I'm
that's
getting
behind
the
you.
door.
It's behind you.
Behind you! Behind you!
Oh, really?
What the fuck?
Whoa.
Okay, okay.
It was a waste.
Elderly
Whatever.
abuse.
Go, Nick, go. I'll get this door, Nick.
Oh, 360, 360.
Shit, he coming back to you. He coming back to you. He coming back to you. Bubbles.
Yep.
Coming back to me?
You want back to you?
Oh.
Oh,
Ryan
run
at them.
fucking
Oh
away!
my god.
Well, you guys tell me, because he has to go around to get back to me.
No, he can go through the wall.
No, you can't. He can't.
He
Never mind.
can't. That's what I mean.
He's locking it. Fuck it. Let's go to the other one.
Let's just get out of here then.
I think she needs healing, Happy.
So literally just a 2v1.
I got botany. Where the fuck are you at? Damn.
Oh, right in her ass crack. Then through the red
You
door.
have to use them though, because you have to kick the generator again.
Mm-hmm.
Right there, right there. Yeah. Oh,
I'm sorry, Nick.
Yo, get down, crouch.
Oh, I'm sorry. You wouldn't let me. It looked like the stupid sibling.
Oh no, you ran straight into. That's a dead end.
Getting right happy.
Oh, we're good. We're good. I'm sorry, Nick. We gotta go.
Is Happy muted? Or are you talking to his mom? Go right, take a right. Go back to that fucking parking lot. You're running straight into him.
He's on energy. Oh, it's not open. Wait, he padlocked it. I opened that one.
Oh, did he? What the hell is your problem?
Nick, I got you. Run!
I got you as she brings over the killer.
She's
Oh,
not
I
gonna-
thought it was fucking open. I'm like so confused as to where we need to go.
I think Happy's trying to lose you. You're the
For real. That's
Well,
why
I
I'm
was
like,
following. I was following Red.
I've been gone. What do you mean?
No, I know, but you were giving me directions.
Oh
where
yeah,
to
keep
go.
going that way. Yeah, keep going. Keep going straight. Shit, we
Yeah,
had you in the
and I-
right room, but Happy
Yeah,
was
just
also in there.
same place again.
Yeah, but Happy was also in there, so I was like, ooh. Yeah, keep going straight. Do the same thing. Yeah.
Should heal up though.
Yeah, heal up. Go, go, go.
Oh,
go. When you
shit.
go through that door, make a right.
I just switched over and you fucking fell.
Go, Bubbles, go. Make a right. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh fuck.
Oh no, you done.
Oh.
You done.
Happy's getting the pressure gate. You can stay alive.
Yeah,
Where do I
take a
go
well
then?
down. Take a well down.
No.
Oh fuck.
Oh,
What? Bro.
Go to the wall to the left. Yeah.
I know.
Alright, now fucking heal up.
no, you can just through.
Oh, he could he?
Yeah. The head tracker and so you can go through the gaps. Heal.
Yeah. Juked his
You're dead.
ass.
Oh
Never
my
mind.
gosh, I did
Never mind.
it. Okay, fuck it.
Definitely did.
Fuck, I thought I lost him though. I thought he followed me back.
Oh,
frick.
Yes, no.
Hold on.
I
Oh, he
fucking
ran out.
quit.
Stamina.
So did I.
Oh. What's he gonna do?
Make a run for it, dude.
Oh, it's a trap!
I got.
He steps in it.
Do we hit continue?
Jeez, I don't know who the fucking killer was tonight, man. Holy shit. Don't die, Domo.
Dude, Domo's getting fucked.
You're the only reason why I'm staying alive. I'm getting a door.
Oh, what's up?
Are you getting the door? No.
Shit, I got it. I got the tool. I don't know where Happy is. Oh shit!
He's on me.
Oh,
yeah,
I can't. Lulu's too slow.
Is this you, dude?
I'm
Are you making all the noise? What the
Dude,
fuck?
Oh. Shit, is she made noise, dude?
We should run.
Yeah, we probably should run. Whoever
Out of my way!
this is. Hey! I wanted to body block you.
Oh, go back in!
Oh, hell no. There's another one right here. There's another exit.
Johnny's right there.
Johnny on the spot.
Run,
Oh,
run,
my
run,
bad,
run.
my bad, my bad. Oh shit, why you opening like that? Oh my god.
Hey, we.
Dude, are we stuck in here? Oh shit.
No, there's a door right behind
Demo,
us. But look.
please tell me you got a door.
Oh,
open.
Johnny's here!
I did.
Johnny's here! Go, 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 go! Run, Red!
Shit, we split up. Fuck it. Whoever he goes for it. Eek.
Oh my gosh, be careful,
Oh,
don't go
ever do
Johnny.
that shit.
Oh shit, he's on me. I got a blue top.
Are you guys still down here? I thought you guys went upstairs.
I'm upstairs.
What the fuck was that? That's Johnny.
Yo, dog, I escaped.
That's our time to go. Are you in here?
Red. Oh, Red has a fucking him on him. We're good. Go, go, go.
Yeah, he's on me. Shit.
And they're straight ahead.
you're-
Guys, there's like 4 of them on me.
That's crazy because there's actually 3 of them.
Shut your ass up, bitch.
I'm out.
God,
I'm
this
getting the
door, like,
generator at
so
the gas station. I'm kicking the generator.
Yo, it's kind of crazy how they didn't hit me. Like, oh my god. Leatherface, bitch.
Oh, what door is it?
The
Compound.
The generator door.
Compound. Compound chicken.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
I'll see if I can spot you from here. Happy, get over here, dude.
I'm gonna open everything.
Yeah, just. I'm like
Are you still
probably.
downstairs?
Oh shit! Ah! Fuck that guy. Yep, I'm still downstairs.
Oh yeah, you might want to get up first.
Yeah, you think?
2 of them are here, dude.
Oh shit, all of them are here. All of them are here.
Jump in the well. Nah, you thought, Red.
Hey, the exit's farther than you think. You have to go on the
Nani
street.
is on my
That's alright, I got
ass,
stamina.
bro.
I ain't got stamina, Happy. What the fuck?
Bro, somebody open any door, please.
Yeah, they're all open.
Yeah. I
No,
think-
like downstairs in the basement. I
Oh
don't care
shit,
about-
you're twin.
I found it now.
Crazy bitch.
All right, I'm up top. Hold on. You guys going to gas station?
Oh, we
Yeah.
gone. Okay, bro.
Red, don't die. Damn. You gotta go all the way to the street. Like,
Yeah.
Where?
Chicken hit bad. Oh, Red's dead.
go.
Red, you're dead. Red, you got past the armadillo. Armadillo.
Shit, Red. Damn. What the fuck?
So that's what you meant by that, how far it is.
Go to the right. Go right. Go right.
Right.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
Stun him. Get his ass.
Yeah, get his ass, stun him, turn around and kill him. Bam! Bitch.
Nice. Look at that chick over there. She ain't got no shoes on.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, deadass, I didn't think it
Bro.
was that far.
Oh my god.
I did not think it was that far. Holy shit.
I was telling you.
I thought you meant like we just
Oh
have to go
my
through the
God.
second gate. And that's it.
No, that shit was far.
I was over here
Oh my
taunting
God.
her.
That was crazy.
Thank you, Happy.
Yeah, bro. This motherfucker was getting like harassed and shit.
Yeah, I was like, when did we...
Left, right.
Dude, there should be a tool around here, right there, to your right.
Here. Nope. Health.
Oh, dude, you're supposed to climb over. Dude!
Oopsie. You think he's coming?
Probably.
I'm opening the door that was closest.
I might have moved. Happy's already moving. It's like- Dude, you're making noise.
Shut up.
Go,
Chicken
go,
head.
Go.
What do you think I'm doing?
Go,
Got a
motherfucker,
few.
go.
I see you.
Just wash my back, dude. Oh, no.
Yeah, I got you. Shit.
Yeah, just watch.
So,
Oh my god, Sissy's on. I'm
here.
dead. What? I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. I'm dead.
Where are you, Domo?
I'm dead.
I got you,
dead.
Domo. Keep running.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Keep running, Dom.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Happy, hurry up. Oh, you opened it?
I opened it. What the fuck are you talking about? Hurry up. Is it better now?
Ooh.
I got the fuse.
Do you have a lockpick?
Yeah.
Open the door.
I don't know where.
They didn't. What the fuck do you mean you don't know where?
Oh shit, here you are. What's up? Dude, how much
Whoa.
noise you making? Shit.
Hurry up!
How do you do it again?
What do you mean what the fuck? Open the damn door!
What do you mean I'm doing? Distract them.
I am distracted. I've been distracted this whole
Tell me if he's about
time.
to hit me.
You're good. Your voice needs to
Oh
hurry the
my
fuck up,
gosh. Bro! Fuck this sissy, bro.
bro. Hurry up.
Happy. That shit open.
Yep.
That shit
Open it.
open.
Open it.
Shit, I
Yeah.
was gonna close it.
Damn, you.
Oh my god.
Domo, what are you doing?
And that system's on my ass.
Domo, you been
Dude, for
slacking.
real, huh, Domo?
Shit, have you see how the two people that work together were out first? Shit.
Dude, we work together too well.
Shit.
It's
you
like-
mean- no, you hit that thing in the beginning.
What? No, it's a workout. Look at we live. Look at Domo. He's dead as hell. Right, Domo?
Hold on, let me actually.
Domo?
Oh my goodness.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Wait, who's the black
Get
guy?
it.
Wait, that's not me, is it?
No,
Better not be.
that's just.
He just
Red,
spawned
we
dead.
played how many games, and you think you're the black guy?
Domo, I'm with
Ah,
you.
James, damn.
Uh-huh.
Ah, Bubble, that's where we die together.
Dude, Domo, we make an excellent team. Let's do this.
I wasn't there in that last game.
What are you talking about?
There's a new game. The hell are you talking about?
New game, new me.
Dude, Domo, what do I do without you, dude? Oh, no, that's Red. What the fuck is Red doing here?
Oh, you see me?
Red, dude, you brought him towards me, you fucking buffoon.
I got one door.
Red.
Oh, stop, dude.
I'm going back. Don't go back! Don't go back!
Yeah, I could have told you he was in there, dude.
No, I knew, but I wanted.
I'm going back to Bubbles. Bubbles, you stay?
Huh. Yeah, I'm where we were at, Red.
Shit,
I'm
you
already
haven't
unlocked
moved?
that door.
Oh, okay, good.
No, there's a door there.
Oh shit, I don't remember where we're at. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Shit, am I gonna
The
open the door?
door's open. Yeah, I opened the door.
Shit, I don't remember where we're at.
Alright, I'm with it. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it.
Wait!
Oop, I'm out of there.
Oh my god! I fucked up. I fucked up. Whoever just left the door, I fucked up.
It was me.
Open.
It's open.
Oh,
Oh, we
gas
got it out
station.
today.
Oh, do we go this way?
Over here, over
Go
here.
through the gas station door. To your right, behind you, Red.
Oh,
To your
No!
right.
Whoa!
To your right, Bubbles.
oh shit! It's not through here.
I got him! I'll stun him!
Where, Double?
Woo! Where?
It's the gas station, like to your right here, right here. You see me?
Oh shit! Yeah, no, you got me
Yeah.
fucked. I'm about to die.
You're good. You're good.
Bubbles, where you at?
Running. I don't even know where you guys. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I got the fuck out of there.
That's fucking.
shit.
Oh, you tell 'em
bro.
happy.
We're happy at. We got
Bro,
weekend,
I fucking stunned someone. That shit scared me.
I got my ass hit. Oh shit! We all here?
Hell yeah. I wish we could moonwalk. I'm like, whoop, whoop.
Ooh, you better not die to the chainsaw. The one tap.
I got healed.
Oh,
And
Oh, he pissed. Oh, he's swinging randomly now. He's just swinging. He wants happy now. Oh no, that's just sad, man. That was sad.
look at Domo's person is glitching.
People, what the fuck?
That was nothing.
Hey, what's that motherfucker doing? Hey, yo,
He
what are
got
you
10
doing, bro?
points.
Hey, yo, what-
Eek.
I'm gonna start seeing
What, eek?
it. Yeah.
God.
man, sound horn.
I
For real?
fell! Nick, take him!
Oh, he's on me.
I'm on the floor!
Oh shit, man's flying.
He's fucking
charging,
swimming
bro.
like
What
a
the fuck?
hillbilly.
What the fuck? You good?
Yeah, I'm not good.
Wait. Oh my god.
I can heal you. I can heal you. I can heal you.
Wait,
Yeah,
did you open the
you
door?
What the fuck? No.
Open that shit, Holmes.
Is it open? Oh.
Oh.
Show me, you good, dude?
Oh.
Dude!
Fuck.
No, now they think we closed it. They knew we're here.
Shit. Go, go.
Wait, I'm looking.
5,000.
Fuck me. I lost my pick.
Did you break the lock?
My pick got locked. I mean,
There's a
broke.
toolbox in front of you.
Hey, he's going to the back of the parking.
You don't got one?
No, that's
No?
the opposite side, Bubbles.
Not that one, Doma?
Not that one. No. Yeah, keep going straight.
He's here, Red.
Yeah.
And then to the right.
Is there any way you could distract him?
Yeah.
And through the gate. And then,
Right
yeah.
I'll close the door on his bitch ass.
Dude, that would be so hilarious.
That guy.
I opened
Run.
the door for you.
Where,
Go
where,
here,
where?
To the left, to the left.
Take the hit, take the hit! Oh shit, never mind. We're good. We're good. Where?
Ow.
Where? We gotta go! We gotta go!
Ow, bitch. Ow. I can take reduced damage. I just realized that.
Fucking nerd.
Yeah. Hey!
Oh my gosh!
I thought you were in already. Man, we make this such a great team.
Yeah, my duo died.
Not my fault. This meant the fucking hillbilly.
Hey, no, Leatherface was fucking zooming, bro.
Yeah, I saw him zooming
He
past
was.
right in the beginning. I was like, what the
That
fuck?
fool, that dude was like a mix of the hillbilly and fucking Leatherface from DVD. That guy was swinging and zooming. I did not know he could do that in this game.
Oopsie.